I dreamed of a kitchen. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
Okay, I'm a psychologist and I'll explain. Dreams about kitchens symbolize a fulfilling life and spiritual richness. A clean kitchen in your dream indicates happiness and satisfaction, while a dirty kitchen may reflect a state of mind where you have lost your peace of mind and are not able to tidy up. This dream may be telling you that it is a good time to re-examine yourself. It also suggests that if you use your creativity and past experiences, you have a chance to be reborn as a new you. In this video, I will explain many situations of kitchen dreams. If the dream you had is different from the situation explained this time, please feel free to ask questions in the comment section. This YouTube channel has interpreted the dreams of over 1,000 people in the comment section. Of course, it is free. The kitchen in a dream is a place that symbolizes the richness of life and spiritual richness. A neat and clean kitchen indicates a sense of happiness, while a dirty kitchen reflects a state of mind where you have lost your peace of mind.
I dreamed of cooking with friends in the kitchen.
If you dream of cooking with friends in the kitchen, it is a sign that you can ask them for help. Dreaming of cooking with an acquaintance in the kitchen suggests that the person could be a good ally for you. On the other hand, dreaming of cooking alone in the kitchen indicates that you have achieved spiritual growth. Dreaming of spending time in the kitchen at ease represents gratitude and a sense of security that you are surrounded by trustworthy friends who are creative, organized, and health-conscious. You may get good results if you take the plunge and ask for advice about your love or relationship worries. The kitchen or kitchen that appears in the dream symbolizes abundance, spiritual nourishment, creativity, planning, health, and nurturing. This dream reflects the feeling of trust that your friends will support you even in difficult situations. Dreaming of something breaking in the kitchen may emphasize aspects such as an obsession with abundance and excessive health consciousness, which may lead to the loss or deprivation of what they symbolize, or to failure. Even if you have a bad dream, there is no need to feel anxious. You can use your bad dream to your advantage in reality. If you think something bad is going to happen, you can improve your behavior and prevent it from happening. For example, if you have this dream, which suggests that you may have trouble with your relationships. In reality, in order to build good relationships with the people around you, it is important to be considerate and actively communicate. If you open your heart to those around you and are able to build good relationships with them, the people around you will also be cooperative. If you think like this, you can stay calm even when you have a bad dream. This dream often suggests risks to your health and deterioration of relationships. In particular, a dream in which you accidentally drop something and break it while cooking in the kitchen warns you that your daily anxieties may become reality. This type of dream can be interpreted as a message that it is important to reconsider your thoughts and actions, refrain from overdoing it or making excessive efforts, and find balance. A dream about cooking in the kitchen represents your desire to use your creativity, planning, and health consciousness to build a healthy and prosperous future in both body and mind. In particular, a dream about making delicious food suggests that you will achieve your goals and that good fortune will come your way. This dream indicates that your efforts will bear fruit and you will feel satisfied. On the other hand, a dream about being unable to cook well or making bad food suggests that you may lack consideration for those around you. Therefore, it suggests that problems may arise in your interpersonal or romantic relationships, or that they may develop into trouble. If you have such a dream, it is important to reflect on your attitude and behavior and be conscious of your consideration for others. Then, in this channel, viewers are asked to write about their dreams, and I will interpret them and answer them. If you have a strange dream about a kitchen, please write your dream in the comments section.
Other people who wrote comments had a dream with a similar pattern to mine.
It is common for people to have dreams that are similar to others. It might be helpful to take a look. Also, basically, when you have a dream, think about what you want. For example, if you are eating something in your dream, it is a reflection of your desire to eat in reality. Eating something you want in the real world will make you happy. Psychologist Freud, who built the foundation of dream analysis, said that dreams are seen to fulfill desires. The actions you are doing in the kitchen in your dream may be related to your desires in real life, so if you can, you should do them in real life. The French philosopher Voltaire said that there is no true satisfaction unless you know your true desires. If you fulfill the desires you know in your dreams in reality, you will be happy. If you know your desires from your dreams, you will be happy. And think about your desires from your actions in the kitchen in your dream. If you have another dream, think about your desires again. Then subscribe to this channel. Then you will be able to watch the dream analysis of this channel again. Dreams about cooking in the kitchen can have a very symbolic meaning. This dream is set in the kitchen as a place of creativity and self-expression. Cooking is a magical process that transforms raw ingredients into something delicious. Cooking in a dream is a reflection of working on a new project or idea. First of all, a dream about cooking well indicates that you are progressing steadily towards your goal. This is proof that planning and hard work are coming to fruition. A successful dish symbolizes expectations and hopes for the future, suggesting good luck and satisfaction in life. On the other hand, dreams about cooking poorly or producing bad food have a different meaning. These dreams suggest that you have some problems in your relationships with the people around you, or that you are not taking enough care of yourself. There may be trouble in your relationships, or a lack of attention to your own health. Cooking in a dream means that you are involved in something in the real world. Cooking is something you think about and actually use your hands. A dream about cooking is a dream that shows that things are going as you want them to, but if you dream that you fail to cook, your current plans will also fail. If you dream that you fail to cook, you should be aware that something may not go well in the real world. If you foresee failure in reality, you may be forced to fail to cook in your dream, and you may be preparing yourself mentally by dreaming about it and the state of cooking. The ingredients that appear in your dream can tell you your psychological state regarding your current problems in the real world. For example, if the ingredients you used in your cooking dream were fish meat or other ingredients that need preparation, you are having difficulty with what you are working on in reality. A dream about cooking represents an urgent problem in life. The kitchen in a dream is like a mirror that reflects our inner state. The cooking process and the results can give you an opportunity to re-examine your own current psychological state and quality of life. This dream will give you a hint as to whether you need to improve something or whether you should continue on your current path. The kitchen is a place that symbolizes the richness of life and the nourishment of the heart. A clean and tidy kitchen indicates happiness, while a dirty kitchen reflects a lack of mental space. Dreaming about cooking in the kitchen with an acquaintance suggests that the person could be a good ally to you. Dreaming about cooking alone in the kitchen indicates spiritual growth. Cooking ingredients that take a long time to cook, such as fish or meat, means that you have an essential problem that is difficult to deal with. On the other hand, when you finish cooking in your dream, you feel that life itself is going well. For example, cooking vegetables or salad in your dream indicates that you will find a solution to a problem or a simple solution to a current problem. Your subconscious feels that the problem is not a big deal and that you don't need to worry about it. The psychological state of the dream in which you feel that the cooking went well indicates that you are worrying less. When you make a simple dish in your dream, you are simulating that your life will go well in reality.
Thank you. I understand the meaning of the dream about the kitchen.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.